How to restore data after factory reset iPhone. Here are some possible solutions for your reference. Part 1. How to factory reset iPhone. It is easy to do iPhone factory resetting. You just need to click the options. Settings General Reset, erase all content, and Settings, erase iPhone. Part 2. How to recover data from iPhone after factory reset via iTunes Backup. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and open iTunes. Select your iPhone icon when it appears. In the Summary panel, click Restore from Backup and choose the latest backup. Finally, click Restore. Part 3. How to recover data after factory reset iPhone from iCloud Backup. Turn on iPhone, Setup or Reset. Follow language, region, Wi-Fi prompts. Opt for or skip location services. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Enter credentials. Agree to terms. Select latest backup. Wait for restore. Part 4. How to restore data after factory reset iPhone selectively. You can make use of a third-party program to restore your data flexibly. Here, Mobikin Doctor for iOS can be a good choice for you. This software allows you to view, select, and recover data from iTunes or iPhone directly. Keep reading to see how to get your data back after restoring iPhone by using Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Launch the program. Step 2. Scan the iTunes backup data. Step 3. Recover data from a factory reset iPhone. Part 5. Advice. Backup your iPhone before restore. Backup essential iPhone data to prevent loss. Use Mobikin Assistant for iOS to effortlessly transfer contacts, messages, calendars, notes, bookmarks, music, photos, videos, etc. to your computer with a few simple clicks. Launch the program and connect your iPhone or iPad or iPod to the computer. Trust the device on your iDevice when prompted. Once detected, view file categories on the left panel: contacts, messages, notes, etc. Tap a folder to preview contents. Select desired files. Click Export in the top menu and transfer the files to your PC.